beautiful spring day. We are at 1541 Crumsville Road. So I wore my prettiest spring dress for you because I thought it was going to be a pretty spring day. Turns out it's not, but this house is beautiful. Check out the first of 2 spacious living rooms. And this is the second living room out of the 2, and this one has a cool tile feature, or you could use it as an office. This is the kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, and you even have an eating area over here. There's 3 bedrooms up here. Come on up.
Oh.
Oh, hi.
Sorry.
I'm just sitting here nursing my bunny. You could use this as a nursery or perhaps a game room for your annoying teenage son. Let's go check out another room. This is the primary bedroom. Let's go check out the 3rd bedroom. And this could be the 2nd kids' room. And this room is where you put the kids you like and let them play. This is where you put your teenage son when he's really annoying.
We're supposed to be filming a house tour.
Oh, well, I was just gonna bake some cookies.
Oh!